Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Vscode, Git, and the GitHub extension installed. Open the command palette and run Git, clone or initialize repository. This immediately creates your workspace. Once done, sign into GitHub via the Accounts menu so Vscode can push and fetch. Make sure to use a personal access token if prompted. You now have a connected repo inside the editor and can see changes and branches. Move to committing and syncing next. You'll stage files in the source control panel and type a clear commit message. Short messages help reviewers. Next, create or switch branches for features using the branch dropdown or the command palette command git. Create branch. This isolates work and prevents conflicts. Once commits are ready, push to origin with the push button or git. Push, then open a pull request from the GitHub sidebar. Make sure to fetch remote changes first to avoid merge surprises. You review diffs in the pull requests panel and leave inline comments to guide collaborators. This speeds feedback. After approvals, merge from the PR UI or locally with Git. Merge branch. If conflicts appear, open conflicted files and use the inline actions to accept changes or edit manually. Once merged, pull the target branch to sync locally. If something breaks, check authentication, run git fetch and git status, and make sure remotes are correct. That single check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.